Guys, welcome Educate Academy. So guys, today I think it's a special day, right? Today it's Saturday and it's pretty much here sunny, right? So I think you all guys are waiting for my another video. So guys, as I promised you, I'm bringing another video on how to publish your app on Google Play Console. Before that guys, I thought to make another video, right? So explaining you the real importance of this making Android apps and earning a passive income. So guys, along this tutorial today, I'm going to show you my real Admob account, right? So guys, there's two difference, right? So Google has many services. One is Google AdSense and one is Google Admob. So the difference between the Google Admob and the Google AdSense is, guys, the Google Admob is for Android apps and iOS apps, right? And the Google AdSense is for website, right? So if your website is qualified for to play ads of Google, you have to choose Google AdSense. And for your mobile apps, as I told you in the previous video, the app geyser, right? So after you have made a design and app using app geyser, you can take the code from the Google Admob and place there, and that will be playing, right? So in this one, right, so I'm going to explain you, right? So simply I'm going to go to my Admob account, right? I'll be explaining you a small video, right? So you can see today so far $0.06 and yesterday 0.14 this month, right? So the last month earnings. So guys, now you can trust me, guys, right? So please make sure to subscribe my channel, right? So I am like this, guys. So I am not only making videos for to watch, right? So I'm going to give you guys also a super support, right? So I'll be dropping my email under this video in the description, right? You can contact me there if you have any doubts, right? So if not, if you have like, I also do like this, like freelancing services, right? If you need an app and you a YouTube channel, right? So and if you need to reach a passive income like $100 and all, please contact me, guys. I'll support you, right? So don't worry about that, because according to my experience, guys, it's super interesting. You have to keep yourself update daily, right? So don't worry, in my next videos in future I'll be making about Bitcoin and NFT, because if you have a clear idea about that, guys, I think it's super value for you, right? So because these days those are the topics trending and you should know about them. So guys, if I go to my payment section, right, of my Google Admob, so I think this is about 1 year old, right? So this is one of my account, right? So you can see earnings, right? $32, and if you reach $100, you can simply withdraw to your account, right? Fine. So I told you, right, as I promised you, this is my real account, right? So there are some small apps, right? Fine. So this is what is Google Admob. So you can now trust me, guys, right? You can easily make money, right? So think like this now. If you have like, I only have like 5,000 downloads, right? And about a small amount of users per day. But if you think, guys, if you have 100 downloads per day, right? If you have 100 downloads per day, I am 100% sure that you can earn $75 per month. If you have 1,000 downloads per day, if you make a super app, 100% sure you can make $750 per month, right? So it is super simple, guys, but you have to work a little bit, right? So I'll be making videos on that, right? So don't worry guys, because that's what I told you guys. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, right? Then only you will be notified when I publish a new video. So we'll go to Google Google Play Console is not free, right? If you are for the first time making this what Google Play Console, you have to pay $25 for Google as one time fee. So for your lifetime guys, you can publish apps. So this is one of my app, right? So that means this is for demo purpose, right? It has only users, right? So how many people are using my apps, right? 1.58k, and this one is 345, and right. So this is how it's work, right? So just think guys, I don't have much downloads but in this account, right? But you can earn a pretty much of amount of money. So this is what guys, so don't worry, I'll be bringing a separate video about this Google Pay console when I am making a video about that app keys, right? So uh, don't worry, I'll be making that video. So guys, if you have anything to ask, please comment below. I'll be helping you guys, right? Or contact me if you have any projects to carry on, right? So thank you guys for being with me. Have a nice day. We'll meet in another video.